Good morning everyone. Welcome to El Paraiso. And once again, this is Doc Del. So this morning, another blooming vanda that I am going to introduce to you. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing, updating, and cultivating orchids, you will be notified. This is the vanda that I am going to introduce to you this morning. I want you to see closely on the flowers of this vanda, and this is a Vanda Thailand star spot. I hope that the ID of this is not mistakenly placed, because what I know that when we talk about star spot, it is in yellow form. However, this is very different from what I know and what I perceive from the first time that this created a spike, because I was amazed after this bloom or opened the flower, because there is a similarity on my brownie chontra. Okay, however, this brownie chontra is more brownie. Okay, however, this one, though they have similarities, but of course, this is a light, no? This is a lighter version of the brownie chontra. Okay, so this is a first time bloomer here at El Paraiso, while my brownie chontra, this is the 4th times that this vanda bloomed here at El Paraiso. But of course, if you try to look at this, now if you try to look at this, both of them, they are very healthy. Okay. However, I want you to focus on the roots of the vanda, so we could be able to see that there are already algae that surround the roots. However, after this bloom, I am going to remove that algae by simply mixing the bleaching soap, bleaching liquid, and of course dishwashing paste, no, so that we could easily remove the algae from the roots of this vanda. Okay, so for those viewers na hindi pa nakita yung aking video tungkol sa kung paano natin i-remove ang algae or lumot sa ugat ng ating mga vanda, I am going to include the link on the description box of this video. Okay, so that everybody as well, you are guided in removing the algae of from the roots of our vandas. Okay, so don't worry, because it is safe for them. No, it is safe for them. But of course, after placing or after putting them into or soaking them into the water that mixed with bleaching liquid, bleaching powder, and dishwashing paste, we should have to spray this with water so that we could easily remove the chemicals from the orchids. Okay, so I want you to focus here. Okay, so this is, as what I have said, this is a lighter version of my brownie chontra, since this is Thailand star spot. Okay, and I could not remember anymore where I purchased this, since dito sa garden marami akong nabilhan ng mga strap leaf vandas, no? And of course, yung pinakauna talaga ay mula sa system, hanggang nakilala ko si Ma'am Cherry Laureano, si Ma'am Dayunita Gadia, okay, si Ma'am Glessy Tugadi, of course, where I purchased my strap leaf vandas from them. Okay, so at this point, no, this is today is September, and I am so happy that aside from this, I could be able to see more spikes, no, more spikes from my bandas. Okay, try to look at this. This banda started to open, no, started to bloom, and I am happy to see this kasi meron siyang dalawang spikes. Okay, so but of course our focus here, or our focus today, is this. So I am so happy to witness another beauty of my strap leaf banda here at Il Paraiso, and I hope that more flowers or more spikes will be coming out, so that I could be able to witness all, because now out of the few numbers here of strap leaf banda, kakaunti lang pa lang po ang namumulaklak. Okay, so if you try to look at this, okay, this is a very gorgeous flower. And how many petals are there? So I want you to see the top view of this one. So this is the top view of this one. Okay, so there are still 2 flower bulbs that hindi pa siya nakabuka. Maybe 2 days or 3 days from now, this will totally bloom. And of course, I am so happy because majority of the flowers of my strap leaf bandas here at Il Paraiso, they bloomed for at least 1 month or 2 months. So ganun ka tagal bago sila malanta, or bago sila malanta, yes, no, before they will be wilted. So they stayed here for 1 to 2 months. Okay, so if you try to look at this, now there is really a reflection. There is really a reflection as to the color, but this is more deep and dark. However, this is a lighter version of that vanda. Okay, so I want you to focus, I want you to see, so that I could be able to radiate my happiness to my viewers, to all the people who also loves vandas. Okay, so these are hybrid bandas, and most of them are actually coming from Thailand. Okay, so I want you to see closely, because no, this is a big flower, no, one of my big flowers here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so for this September, ang dami po nilang nag-spike. So sana tuloy-tuloy po sila lahat, no. However, next year another routine will be applied to my green pets, kasi ang mahalaga, we could be able to take care of them well. Okay, so from the roots, from the tip of the roots up to the tip of the leaves, no. Okay, so doon sa pinaka dulo na dahon. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so thank you so much for the seller of this. I could not be able to remember, no, kung saan ko po ito nabili, pero salamat po, kasi you are providing a happiness not only for me, however that also includes the viewers of this channel, the subscribers of this channel. Okay, so before I end this video, I would like to say thank you to all my organic subscribers. Thank you for considering this channel as part of your daily undertakings. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye bye, and stay safe, everyone.